In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate API access in make.com. By the end, you'll have a secure API token you can use to connect Make with your scripts, external services, or internal tools. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, explain what each choice means, and share a few best practices to keep your workspace secure. Start by opening make.com and heading to your dashboard. Make sure you're in the right organization and that your account has permission to manage API tokens. This helps avoid confusion later when you're assigning access levels. In the top right corner of the screen, click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Profile. This takes you to your account settings, where you can manage personal details and developer options for your account. Inside your profile, look for the section labeled API Access. Click it to open the page where tokens are created and managed. This is the central place to generate and revoke tokens, so it's where you'll come back whenever you need to rotate credentials or limit access. Next, click Add Token. A small form will appear asking you to define what the token can do and how you'll identify it later. Select the scope for your token. Scope controls permissions. It limits which parts of Make the token can access. Choose only what you need. This principle, often called least privilege, reduces risk if a token is ever exposed. For example, if you only need to read scenario details, pick a read-only scope. If you need to create or update resources, pick the appropriate write scopes. If you're unsure, coordinate with your admin or document the intended use before granting broad access. Enter a clear label so you can recognize the token later. Good labels include the purpose and environment, such as reporting dashboard, production, or local dev testing. Consistent naming makes audits and cleanups much easier. When everything looks right, click Add. Make will generate the token for you. You'll typically see it only once, so handle it carefully. Treat the token like a password. Store it securely, don't share it publicly, and rotate it periodically. If it's ever exposed, return to the API access page and revoke it immediately, then create a replacement with the correct scope. That's it. You've activated API access in make.com and created a token tailored to your needs. Use it with your integrations by supplying it as a bearer token in your authorization header. Thanks for watching, and keep your tokens tidy, scoped narrowly, and stored safely for a smooth automation experience.